माय चैनल द मोनाजाइन। आई एम मोनालिसा एंड आज फिर से मैं आप सबके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेके आई हूँ। Today's video is very special. For Rabindranath Jayanti, I want to create something special, something meaningful and something close to my heart.
Wow!
Okay, quick question. If you don't know Rabindranath Tagore, I am not judging, but also I am judging a little. Just kidding. But today is the perfect day to fix that. Because today is Rabindranath Jayanti, the birth of the legend Rabindranath Tagore. And if you still don't know him, let me tell you in a very simple way. He was not just a poet. He was a writer, composer, painter, basically all-rounder. And also, he is the reason we Indians have our national anthem. So today I thought instead of just talking, why not create something special? So I am going to draw him. I will be using pencil sketch or a charcoal pencil. Let me go with the flow. पहले हम बालों के ऊपर काम करेंगे. If you want your sketch to be realistic, then you have to work one step at a time. कुछ लोगों को ये बहुत ज़्यादा difficult लगता है, but it is very easy. Use loose strokes. Don't try to draw every single hair. Then tada! Your hair will be done. For smudging, I will use this one. मुझे exactly याद नहीं है इसको क्या बोलते हैं, but this is my all-time favorite. You know what I love about sketching portrait like this? It feels like you are slowly discovering the person. Like every line has a story. And honestly, Tagore's face, isn't it so artistic? That long beard, those deep eyes. It is challenging but so satisfying to draw. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. You can see, बातों ही बातों में हमारा hair part almost done. Also, fun fact, he was the first non-European to win a Nobel Prize in literature for his book Gitanjali. So yeah, he is not just famous, he is legend level. This is the most scariest part. Every time while doing the eyes, I do mistakes, but today I don't want to do the mistakes. While drawing this, I kept thinking how one person can inspire generation through words, music and arts, everything. And here I am trying to capture just a tiny part of that on this paper. Difficult, you know?
Ha!
But slowly I can see Rabindranath Tagore in my paper. While sketching, मुझे एक गाना याद आ रहा है. The most famous Rabindranath Tagore song, একলা চলো রে. He said, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. I know, मैं उतना अच्छा गाती तो नहीं हूँ, but feeling तो समझो. Every line in this portrait feels connecting to the history, poetry and art. For the beard, I am using loose pencil and charcoal strokes instead of drawing every single hair. The secret of realistic portrait is patience. Lots and lots of patience. You know what? Some people create art and some people become art themselves. Rabindranath Tagore was one of them. What do you think? Comment down below. And also let me know in the comment आपको रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का कौन सा गाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. He wrote more than 2000 songs. Can you imagine? Not just India, he also wrote Bangladesh national anthem Amar Sonar Bangla. That is legendary. He founded Vishwabharati University, where learning was connecting with nature and art. Meanwhile, I panic over one YouTube upload and Tagore casually wrote poems, songs, books, and painting too. Honestly, he was the original multi-talented artist before it became trendy. And here is the final portrait. Let me show you. आप लोगों के साथ बात करते करते कब भी मैंने स्केचिंग कंप्लीट कर लिया मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. It was nice chit chat with you guys. This is my small tribute to the legend on his special day. Thank you for watching my video. आप लोगों को ये स्केचिंग कैसा लगा प्लीज बताना in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. एक चीज़ मैं आप सबको बताना चाहती हूँ. If you like, share and comment my videos, it will motivate me so much and it make me happy. And जिसने भी अभी तक के जर्नी में मुझे सपोर्ट किया है and मेरे वीडियोस को encourage किया है, really thankful to them. Hope you enjoy your day. Lots of love. Bye.